And veganism's got like a kind of a bad rap. It kind of falls in line with like CrossFit and like Jehovah's Witnesses. Like
there's some psycho vegans. Oh my God. I'm not fully vegan in the clothes that I wear. And there's certain people out there that are extreme. It's just, I guess it's like anything that you look at. There's an extreme side to things on both sides. And there's a middle ground when it comes to it. So I don't have like a lot of vegan friends, which would be cool to have. But I guess I don't always jive with with the people that I've met in that community, just because my thoughts are a little bit different on things. I don't believe that I need to insist this upon anybody else. I could spread a message. I could deliver it. I could talk about it. I can bring you guys the food for it. But to sit there and look down on people, which is what a lot of people do when it comes to that. But at the same time, there's a tremendous amount of vegans out there that don't give a shit what other people think, and they just do their own thing, kind of like I do. And that's fine too. It's always like the weirdos that stand out the most, obviously, because we see them like wrapped in like plastic, acting like pieces of meat, you know, and that's probably what I said would be offensive to somebody because, oh my God, that's what we're doing. But that's extremism in my mind. And for me, I don't think that's how you spread a positive message.